Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Test Zone. So today again I'm back with a good topic, and that topic is also very basic but very important. So the topic is like, what is basic difference between the exploratory testing and the ad hoc testing? Because both testing are more or like similar only, because as a fresher or as an experienced guy also, sometimes they used to feel like both are same only, or we can interchange the terms. But this is not correct, because exploratory testing, in the sense, if you want to explore the feature, suppose if you have a proper requirement and you have gone through the requirement, you have a feature, you are exploring those features, and at the end, if suppose you are feeling like I need a more information, or somewhere if you are stucking and you are not getting the proper content for that, so that time you can start with the exploratory testing. So exploratory testing is nothing but you are just trying to invent the actual flow of the feature, and that might or might not be inside the requirement. Suppose if it is not there, then you can just go through the feature, and you can just tell to the BA like, this is the flow which I have explored, and this might be the the feature, but I'm not sure, can you just please confirm with the client? So you can also tell that. And the most important thing is like, exploratory testing is not a kind of testing which always needs to be done at the beginning or at the in between of the testing or at the end. Anytime we can do the exploratory testing, there is no any timeline fixed for that. Anytime when you are doing the testing in between also, if you feel like that is the the portion or area where I need a more exploration, I need to do the more exploratory testing to know the actual flow of that feature, you can do that. So exploratory testing and the ad hoc testing is differ by the very small thing, that is the requirement. Suppose if you have a requirement, you have listed down each and everything in a very clear manner, you have test cases, you have created your all documents, you have your RTM created. So in this case, whenever you want to explore the feature, you can go with exploratory testing. Of the ad hoc testing, what we do, like we always try to break the actual functionality of the application. So in that way, we just trying to make sure like our application is more compatible with each and every kind of the environment, each and every kind of the user inputs. So just to make sure like where exactly our application might break, or user can feel in trouble. So ad hoc testing, we don't follow the proper document, proper test cases, proper requirement. These are all something which is far from it, and we always try to do the kind of testing which might break the application, or which might not be. So it will give you the fair idea like how your application can be sustained in different kind of challenges or different kind of user inputs, which is not proper, or which very rare users used to do. So just to make sure that we always use that. So now the confusion is like, this is nothing but the kind of exploratory testing only, because we are only doing the exploration in the ad hoc testing. So why we are making these two terminologies different, exploratory or ad hoc? So as I said earlier, like there is only one small difference, that is the documentation. So we will not have a proper kind of the document, proper kind of the requirement given by the client, not we will not have the kind of test cases. So all about our own assumptions, our own logic, just to make sure like application is getting break at that point or not. So that is the ad hoc testing. And exploratory, in the sense, you will have each and everything, you are just trying to follow those steps, or if that is not mentioned in that requirement, but you have a proper the requirement of other features, based on that you are just trying to explore that part of the feature, just to make sure like that is also working properly, or that is also the part of the application which might missed by the client. So the basic difference you need to take care, document is not there in case of ad hoc testing, and documentation and test cases are available in the exploratory testing. So to be frank guys, if you know the exploratory testing, that is more enough for testing point of view. This should not be the two terms, as I feel. So Yeah, so just for your convenient, guys, if you are not very much familiar with this ad hoc kind of testing, just remember the exploratory testing in your mind and try to, cover the ad hoc testing in the kind of exploratory testing. So there is no need to go with these two different kind of testing. Just feel like ad hoc and exploratory, both are the similar kind of testing. So that will give you the fair idea, because some people, I feel like some people might be in trouble, like what exactly the ad hoc and what exactly the exploratory testing. So both are same, only ad hoc is just part of the exploratory, but because of the lack of documentation and the test cases, we always used to differ these two type of testings. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope this was very informative video. Still, if you are getting confused between these two topics, please make comment. I will try to reach out to you and give you the good answer based on your question. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye bye.